Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a Wi-Fi automatically disconnectivity issue on your iPhone after or before iOS update, then do the following steps to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings and tap on a Wi-Fi and tap on the I symbol in front of the connected Wi-Fi. Here we are going to do some changing. If the low data mode is enabled, we have to disable and under IPv4 address you will see option configure IP. Tap on it and make sure that automatically is selected. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then back to settings, tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. And if you have any beta profile on your iPhone, remove the beta profile and back to the stable version. And also tap on VPN and device management, tap on VPN and disconnect VPN if the VPN is connected. Then go back to general and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. In the end, what we have to do, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.